Hello, this is a video taking you through the outcomes from the project The Body in Mind, Ameliorating Dementia Symptoms Through Olfactory and Cognitive Training. This poster follows a literature review and academic study into this topic. The literature review identified olfactory training and cognitive training as appropriate methodology for dementia amelioration. This was further investigated through the academic study, which utilized tools from natural language processing, data science, thematic analysis, and interview techniques. These tools analyzed 4 sources of data. Dementia Bank is a large dataset of dementia and control patients' responses to given stimuli. The Lancaster sensory motor norms gauge the sensory motor qualities of a corpus of text. This was particularly useful given that olfaction is one of the sensory motor variables. The VAD index logs the sentimental qualities of a corpus. And finally, a primary research interview with a representative from the dementia organisation Care City. This focused on the applications of olfactory training and cognitive training in the dementia treatment sector. Preliminary quantitative analysis identified dementia patients as using language with a lower valence and dominance than control patients. This was found to be representative of dementia patients' struggle to formulate sentences. Also, dementia patients were found to use language with stronger auditory but weaker haptic, visual, and hand-arm associations than control patients. Preliminary qualitative analysis showed that the treatment sector is willing to implement olfactory training, especially due to its attractive asymptomatic effects. The representative also noted that olfactory training needs to be distinguished from aromatherapy, as these are currently confused within the sector. Olfactory training treatments will be most successful if trialled in small care homes, whilst benefiting both carers as well as the patient's welfare. There are ever-changing trends in dementia cases. Therefore, olfactory training treatment should be able to adapt to this ever-changing landscape and target treatments to specific dementia cases. Thematic analysis of Dementia Bank responses identified 3 overarching themes of dementia patients' responses. These were hesitation, vocabulary quality and quantity, and speed of communication. Not all of Dementia Bank's thematic analysis could be directed back to quantitative methodology for a variety of reasons, as outlined in the academic study. This slide briefly lists the issues relating to charting pauses in conversation, saying one thing but meaning another, and the speed of communication. The outcomes from additional quantitative research echoed the analysis of the earlier qualitative approach. With regards to hesitation, these charts demonstrate that dementia patients use more hesitation words than control patients. Dementia patients also use more frequent and longer pauses than control patients to think of the next thing to say. With respect to vocabulary quality and quantity, dementia patients repeat themselves more often than control patients. Dementia patients are also briefer in conversation. These findings contribute original analysis to an up-and-coming field of research of olfactory training, cognitive training, and dementia, and can be used to inform design of corresponding interventions. This concludes the research project. There were more avenues of inquiry explored within the datasets. However, the findings did not prove to be statistically significant enough to display on this poster. The full list of missing charts is found within the academic study. All that's left to mention is the lengthy bibliography at the bottom, which includes links to the relevant datasets used within this inquiry. Thank you.